Hello and welcome to an introduction on unincorporated associations. Now, what are these? These are basically a body of people who lack corporate identity and come together for some common purpose. Now, that's what they are. How do we identify them? Well, in Conservative Central Office and Burrell 1982, the Court of Appeals set down five identifying factors of an unincorporated association. The key thing to note is it wasn't made clear as whether these are five requirements that all unincorporated associations need, or whether, if you find a type of structure where only four of these characteristics are met, then would that still classify under the law governing unincorporated associations. So these are the five factors they set out: two or more people who have mutual rights and duties, usually via some kind of contractual element. Rules as to who controls the fund and how, so these will also be set down. There will usually be joint or left at a will, the property. And finally, the purpose will be non-business related. It will be something other than business related. Usually it's like some sports ground or something along those lines. Now, what is the key issue when we were looking at unincorporated association? Well, the thing is, if you are looking at a similar organization whose goals are charitable, then you have no difficulty because the law permits charitable purpose trusts because they can be enforced by the Attorney General and they don't conflict with the beneficiary principle. And if this group of people had a legal personality, then there wouldn't be a problem, because then it would come under corporate law, and it would be the articles of incorporation which would determine how the property is set out and what happens to it. So the issue is we're looking at a structure where there's no legal identity, and they tend to be small scale, and they tend to be for some benefit, but this benefit is not charitable. So how do we uphold it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how they actually hold property, these unincorporated associations, then how gifts can be made to them, and finally what happens when they come to an end. Thank you for watching.